After 2 years, we are finally back with another video. Well, this time we are not headshoting people on our local airsoft fields. We are sending my little Miata over the Nürburgring. This is the third time I'm sending my car over the track. I already know the track, but my experience in track driving isn't that big, so I got my friend next to me to guide me and improve my skills. Just sit back, relax, and watch the slowest Miata send it over the Nürburgring. And no, I got a surprise as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up if you do. Sorry if I bother you guys with the noisy, windy sound. Next time I'm going to drive with the top up so the noise is not there anymore. But for now, I hope you guys enjoy and it's not getting annoying. Oh, and please don't mind all the beginner mistakes I make. So yeah, this was the last lap of the day. Didn't go as planned. So yeah, there we almost went to the guardrail, but luckily we didn't hit anything. Guess that's an experience we will never forget. But hey, it happens, it's a track, you know. Of course, I have learned a lot out of the almost crash, if that's what I can call it. Make sure you just got good tires, because that was my mistake, I think. I had some old tires on there, but next season I'm definitely running semis, so that will be a blast. So before we continued our lap, I actually drove towards the ref that was literally 5 meters in front of us. I asked him to do a quick visual check and he said the car was alright, nothing was leaking, nothing was broken. And he told us we were ready for another lap. So we continued and we finished our lap. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the lap. Before the crash, I'm not really gonna show because we most of the times hit yellow flags, so that isn't interesting, of course. So just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. So here we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And of course there's more of these videos coming in the future. I'm also going to upload airsoft videos again, but before I can, I of course have to go to an airsoft field again. And that's been a while, but in a couple of months, maybe next month, or the month after, I'm actually going to a airsoft field again. So just be aware there are airsoft videos coming again. There are also gonna be more car videos because of course I'm a car enthusiast and I like making these videos on the track and other things. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the future videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I see you guys in the next.